Hello, dear children. Welcome back to your science class. Today, we are going to discuss properties of solids, liquids, and gases. Before starting, you all should know what is matter. So, matter is anything that has mass and which occupies space. And we are going to discuss about the different properties of solid, liquid, and gas. What are these three? These three are states of matter. See, first property is shape and size. So here you can see that solids have definite shape and size, but liquids they don't have definite shape and size, and gas too don't have definite shape and size. Volume, in case of solids they have fixed volume. Liquids they have fixed volume, but gases they do not have fixed volume. Space between the particles, in solids it is very less, in liquids it is more than solids, and in gas it is high. Kinetic energy, in solid it is very rigid because solids don't move on their own, right? In liquids it is not rigid, and in gas it is not rigid. What about fluidity? Fluidity is negligible in case of solids. It is less than gases in liquids, and in gas it is very high. Compressibility, solids are completely incompressible. In liquids it is less than gas, and gas it is very less. Density of solids it is very high. Liquid it is less than solid, and gas it is very less. So through this pictures also you can make out in three main solid points they have told that solids are rigid, they have fixed shape, and they have fixed volume. In case of liquids, they are not rigid. That means they don't have their own shape. They take shape of the container. No fixed shape, and they have fixed volume. Cannot be squashed. What do you mean by squashed? That means you cannot press it very highly. In case of solid too, it is written that they cannot be squashed. In case of gases, just check, they are not rigid, no fixed shape, no fixed volume, and can be squashed. Children, gases can be squashed. That's the reason why we can cook food, because in our LPG, that is liquefied petroleum gas, in gas cylinders this is present. There is CNG where there is compressed natural gas. So in this way we can find that the particles can be squashed in case of gases, but they cannot be squashed in case of liquids, and they cannot be squashed in case of solids. Next is states of matter. See here, we all know that solids get converted into liquid, liquids get converted into gases, and gases gets converted to plasma. And this process can be reversed. Plasma can get converted to gas. Gas on condensation gets converted into liquid, and liquid gets converted into solid after freezing. So all this change is nothing but change of state from one form to another. So I hope children you all are clear with the properties of solid, liquid, and gas.